Hi, my name's John. Welcome to another Sunday night nightcap. Tonight is the first Sunday in the month, first Sunday in March, so I'm going to do the monthly draw. There's quite a lot of talking and me waffling on, so if you don't want to watch the draw or me waffling, just fast forward 5 minutes and I'm sure you'll find something that's a lot more interesting. These are the prizes for this month's draw. Now that analog micrometer, metric, I showed that 1 or 2 weeks ago. It's obviously a DB bell end T-slot scraper. Set of drills. I've been using a set of these drills for the last few weeks in the workshop. They're excellent drills, are very good quality. And once again, thanks to my friend Rob at Extreme Engineering, who does sponsor my channel. You've got an Extreme cup and a double boost hat. I'm sure I agree there's bound to be something there you want. If by any chance you win this and there's something there you don't want or you're not going to use, give it away. Give it to somebody that will use it. That's the way it works. Right, Debs is on holiday, so there's only me here, so I'm going to have to do the draw myself. There's a lot of names come in the last month. There's probably as many names in there as there was from the last couple of years. Right, we'll have a good rake around in here. Right, I've got one, there's one. Come on, Johnny. Right, I've got Eric Dingeliden. No idea, I can't pronounce that. It certainly isn't English. Right, Eric, all you need to do is send me an email with your address and I'll get them shipped out to you. If you want to have a go at winning the draw, if you want to get your name put in the bucket, all you need to do is send me an email. That's my email address up there. All you need is your name, your full name, like John Mills, not just John. Your name goes into the bucket, and if it's drawn out, you win all them fantastic things. I've got some real nice stuff lined up already for next month. I had a massive response for these double boost T-slot cleaners that I'm selling on eBay. So much so that I've run out the 3mm plate, which means the orders are going to be delayed. Don't worry, I'll get them out to you. They should all be done by the back end of next week. It's incredible how something so simple as that can sell. Anyway, that's still for sale. I'll put the number in the video, probably above where I'm sitting talking now. Put that link into eBay, or put that number in eBay search and you'll come up with them. If you want to buy one, buy one. It's just a little way of supporting me in this habit of mine of this YouTube channel. So now we can bend this across that line, just like that. I'll clamp that onto a square to get it to a 290. Run a MIG weld along there, and that's basically the mountain made. It took longer to draw it than it did to cut it because I'm not very good at drawing. But saying that, for a mechanic that pisses about, that's not bad. It's worked out quite nicely, I'm pleased with that. Slotted hole so I can tension the belt. I'll put studs into the frame of the machine. I'll be able to get a spanner in there to tighten them up. Worked out quite nicely. Bolt pattern worked out well. All I did, I looked up the stepper motor and I found a drawing which gives you dimensions for all the holes on the front. Oh dear me, man, John. Right. And I'll put a marker around there so I know roughly where it's got to go. And I need to centre pump up through here and drill for 2 retaining studs. There's plenty of tolerance on the slotted holes for tightening the belt, so it should be fine. So we'll mark them, drill and tap them 6mm. This is cast iron, quite thick, so more than strong enough. There's one. Right, so we've got this all coupled up now, so temporarily we'll lock that clutch in. You see the stepper motor's turning there. Of course I don't need to go back under power because I can simply disengage the clutch. But that's a nice, really slow feed, and a colossal amount of torque. There's not a problem driving it at all. I might well put some limit switches on this so it stops when it gets to its full depth. All I need to do is loosen the clutch off, pull the tool back out, and then re-engage the clutch. And then it's ready to go again. Now there is jumper buttons on here you can change to make it go even slower, but that is going to be slow enough, that's going to be ideal. Next job is a box for all this lot. It can't just lie here like this. So that's stop and start, speed control, and the reversal. I needed it. This is part of the water gauge of Richard's steam wagon. It's actually a blow down valve, a valve that allows you to clean the gauge when it's in use. The old part of the valve, that's a tapered part of the seat there, was badly scored. Well, Scott's made a new base for it, and that's the original handle, and all I've got to do is silver solder the handle into there for him. He sent us a picture of it so I know which way to get the handle. It goes opposite. Here's 2 slots. So all I've got to do is silver solder that into there. Put a little bit of silver solder paste into there. That's just flux. This is actually bronze, it's not brass, it's really good quality material. And that definitely goes opposite that slot there. 90 degrees to it, like that. That will happen. Just the water going out of the flux, turn the steering, push it up, and that happen again. So it is absolutely 90 degrees for that. Right. Just about the right temperature now. So that's disappeared down inside of there. Right, that's going nowhere.